All right, everybody. Today I'm going to test out Barry's BootCamp. I've been there a bunch of times before, but today I'm going to record inside so you can really see what it's like to be there in Barry's BootCamp. It's one of my favorite workouts to do, and it's my go-to choice when it's really hot outside. Usually I prefer to work out outdoors, but today it's super hot, so Barry's BootCamp is a good option. They have air conditioning inside the facility, so it's great. Usually they kick my ass, and I always feel great. So let's go ahead and head over there right now. Hello. And one of the best things about working out at Barry's BootCamp is they have like the best shower facilities and the best like products. So I use it quite often whenever I come work out here. This guy.
Booted up, strapped up, put me in, I'm suited up. Bitch, I'm good enough, yeah, I don't need the left. Heartbreaker like Susie, hotter than jacuzzi. Make a pop, open mouth like a scary movie. I got shit claws, fuck them.
We're gonna answer in about 4 minutes, you guys. So take one wide curl. You guys can alternate each arm if you want to. In 10, chin up to 6, 7, 8. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Chin up. Just kidding, 10%. You're gonna jog at 10% for 45 seconds. Then we take all of that incline off and sprint to finish, okay? So 10.0 on that left side. On the floor, I want you guys to stand those weights up in front of you. So, what it's gonna look like is you're gonna have 2 weights standing. 2, 1, that's hard. 9, 5, 10, 5, 11, 5. Let's see that. Yes, good here. Good body punching in 8 by 4 only. You're just gonna alternate 1 to the right, 1 to the left. And 3, 4, 2, 1. Final weights in those squats. Check out 15 seconds. You get to 0 out that incline. But we hold on to this speed, guys. By runners only. 5, 4. Keep that heart rate high. Run, Crystal. Yes, so good. Everybody go, good. Hold it. Yes, Kelly. 12 0. Yes, G. 8 5, 11 5. Good muscle. 11 0. We're on the ground for about 2 minutes. We're already 20 seconds in. 25 seconds away. Treadmill. You're going to take that incline, you're going to strip it off. When my treadmill hits flat ground, on the floor, you're going to give me a quick set of mountain climbers. You drive those knees across that chest in 10. Almost there, runners. For the room, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Treadmill flat ground for right, left, Good, stand in floor. Hit across that body floor. In 8-4, we're going to hit bear squats, hands and toes, stay on the...
I'm gonna get a... No, you're good, you can stay. Okay. Thank you. All right, so just did the workout at Barry's BootCamp. Let's see what the Apple Watch says. 1 hour, 709 calories. Honestly, I feel great. I don't know how intense that was. I'm hungry, that's for sure. That was a great workout. The instructors at Barry's BootCamp are always super great, and they're like so in sync, like with the music and the exercises they give. It's always challenging, I feel. No matter how many times I come back, they always give you like options and layers to like make it even more challenging for yourself. One thing that's not so cool is that it's loud. It's super loud. Luckily they do provide you with earphones to like protect your ears, but man, it's crazy. And then sometimes some instructors turn the lights down super low, and then when you're running on the treadmill, it's like you don't even know where you're gonna step. You might fall off and like hit your head or something. And I remember one time I had a treadmill that just wouldn't stop. I had to like jump off of it because it just kept running. But that's not to say anything bad about Barry's BootCamp. It's always one of the better workouts that I do, but I usually prefer to work out outside in nature, but it's just been so hot lately that this is a great alternative. And plus they have like awesome facilities to shower. So yeah, I mean, I would definitely recommend Barry's Bootcamp for someone who's already has some sort of level of athleticism, because I feel like it's just a little bit too intense for someone who's beginning. I mean, maybe they can just start off like really slow and maybe taking it even lower than the options that they give. But I feel that the lowest option that they give is still going to be really difficult for someone who's just starting like a fitness journey. So I wouldn't recommend it for a complete beginner, but someone who's has some sort of level of athleticism. Anyway, that was really great. Thank you, Barry's Bootcamp. And if you want to see me do more workouts, let me know. I've never tried Orange Theory Fitness, or there's something called Work in Irvine. So if you want to see me get my butt kicked again, suggest something down below that I should try, and I'll record it for you guys. Okay, take care. See you soon. Make sure to like and subscribe.